Hello friends. Today I will cook long pork ribs. I love this easy and simple recipe. My family also really like the long grilled pork ribs. For the recipe you will need for 1 serving, pork ribs 200 grams, olive oil 50 grams, cabbage 100 grams, sweet pepper 50 grams, parsley 20 grams, green apples 50 grams, red hot pepper, garlic, apple cider vinegar, salt, black pepper to taste. I cooked 2 servings, so I doubled all the products. First step, cut the pork ribs into portions along the bone. Beat each piece of meat with a kitchen hammer on both sides. Step 2. Prepare a container for the marinade. The marinade is needed for the special flavor of long pork ribs. The marinade contains garlic, olive oil, salt and red hot pepper. Cut the garlic into small pieces. Finally chop the red hot pepper with a sharp knife. Pour the spices with olive oil, salt and pepper. Stir the marinade well. Place long pork ribs in the marinade for 1 to 2 hours. Step 3. After marinating, the ribs can be grilled. I use a large cast iron grill pan. I greased it with vegetable oil and heated it well over high heat. You can now grill the long pork ribs. Place the pork in the skillet so that the skillet makes a diamond pattern on the ribs to make the dish look very appetizing. Fry the ribs on both sides and then place in the oven for 20 minutes to bake. Oven temperature -180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Fourth step. Prepare a salad for grilled long pork ribs. For a salad, you need cabbage, garlic, bell peppers, hot peppers, parsley, apples, apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil, salt and black pepper. Finely chop the cabbage. If it is hard, you need to crumple it with your hands. Chop the garlic. apple into thin slices. Chop hot peppers. Take fresh pepper, it will be more flavorful. Chop the parsley leaves. I also put red bell pepper in the salad. I use it frozen. I like how it crunches slightly in the salad and cools it. Season the finished salad with apple cider vinegar, add a little salt and black pepper, if you like it. I like the aroma of freshly ground black pepper and I use it a lot. A delicious and healthy salad is ready. Fifth step. I collect all the ingredients on a plate. Remove the long pork ribs from the oven, put one piece of meat on a plate, add a few tablespoons of fragrant fresh salad and garnish with parsley sprigs. I wish you a pleasant lunch. I want to like, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Thanks for watching.